Welcome to my channel. Today we're talking about a crucial aspect of landing your dream job, using effective keywords in your job search. Whether you're a professional or a fresh graduate, incorporating the right keywords can significantly boost your resume's ability for Applicant Tracking Systems, ATS, and recruiter searches on platforms like Naukri. What are keywords? Keywords are relevant terms and phrases that describe your skills, experience, and qualifications. When employers post job openings, they use specific keywords to identify suitable candidates. By strategically including these keywords in your resume and Naukri profile, you increase your chances of getting shortlisted for interviews. AI can be a powerful tool to help you discover effective keywords for your job search, irrespective of experience and specific job descriptions. Here are 3 approaches you can leverage in your video. First approach: using ChatGPT. Open Naukri. Use the search bar to look for your desired job by entering relevant job titles. Browse through the search results and click on the job listing that best matches your criteria. Once you've found a suitable job listing, highlight and copy the entire job description text. Open ChatGPT in your browser and paste the copied job description into the input box. Use the following prompt to get a list of keywords for your job description. ChatGPT will generate a list of keywords and soft skills tailored to your job description. Use these keywords to optimize your job listing and make it more attractive to potential candidates. Using this kind of approach, not only IT field, you can use non-IT fields, but also adding these keywords to your resume in job portals can boost your profile, making it more attractive to employers and increasing the chances of getting calls from job portals. By using this simple approach, you can make your job search more effective and land the job you want, and you can get a number of calls through the job portal. Second approach: AI-powered job boards and resume writing platforms. These platforms can suggest relevant keywords based on your profile information, skills, and career goals, even if you have limited experience. Third approach: AI-powered keyword research. There are dedicated AI-powered keyword research tools designed specifically for job seekers. These tools go beyond just analyzing your profile. They can crawl and analyze millions of job postings to identify the most in-demand skills and keywords across various industries and experience levels. Remember, keyword optimization is an ongoing process. Keep your resume and Naukri profile updated with the latest industry trends and relevant keywords as you gain more experience. Like this video if you found it helpful.
Subscribe the channel.